DHS Secretary Designee Andrea Palm says the 7-day average of new cases in Wisconsin is over 4,800. 1 month ago, it was 2,400. She says all 72 counties in our state are at a very high COVID activity level.
To be considered very high, a county needs to reach the case burden threshold of 350 confirmed cases of COVID-19 for every 100,000 residents. And yet many of our counties have a case burden above 1,000 and even 2,000 cases per 100,000. This is what we mean when we say we are in a crisis in this state.
And we've heard her many times ask us to avoid parties and gatherings, but UW students who live in more than a dozen off-campus homes apparently didn't listen.
One of those Halloween parties hosted nearly 100 people in a single apartment. Brady Mallory spoke with the city about what punishment those students now face. Brady?
Yeah, local leaders hoped for a quiet holiday weekend without large parties. That wasn't the case. On Friday and Saturday, public health and police found at least 13 parties violating the order that limits gatherings to 10 people inside or 25 people outside. They went to several houses and apartments downtown. The people who live there will get citations, which could cost those individuals at least $3,000 in fines and court costs, depending on the number of violations. For some, that total is closer to $10,000. Madison's Assistant City Attorney Marcy Paulson says she hopes this sends a message as we move into the holidays.
We do have future plans to go out with all around Dane County, and if we're dispatched to a party, individuals will receive either citations or be prosecuted through my office or the Dane County office.
Paulson says they didn't find people attending the parties, they just told them to leave. Paulson also says none of these parties were at UW's fraternities or sororities, thus none of those violated the order this weekend.